Hey guys, here to tell you a little bit about a really yummy peanut butter that you guys have probably tried, heard, or have seen in the grocery store. It is Peter Pan peanut butter. I love peanut butter. It's like my favorite. I just, for breakfast, had this peanut butter with bananas on rice cakes, and I just love it. I love peanut butter plain with chocolate, on fruit. It's so good, and of course I love the classic peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So this is 100% natural, no need to stir. Peter Pan creamy peanut butter. I prefer creamy over crunchy. I'm sure Peter Pan makes both. Peanut butter spread, it's 90% peanuts. I don't think it was always, but I think now that there's a lot of competition because a lot of brands, even Jif, are becoming more natural. They have to kind of keep up with that. So that's great. It's kosher, non-GMO, project verified. So the website for that is nongmoproject.org. The net weight is 40 ounces or 2 pounds at 8 ounces, 1.13 kilograms. What I love about peanut butter, besides that it goes on everything really great and that it's a delicious snack, I also find it really filling. And as someone that doesn't eat any meat and I'm vegetarian, it's good to have something with protein and something that kind of like sticks to the bottom of your stomach. So I find that I'm less hungry throughout the day when I eat peanut butter. So then we have the top here, it says best by January 16th, 2020. So well over a year from now until it expires. They have this seal here, certified sustainable palm oil, RSPO mixed. And then we have nutrition facts here. Nutrition facts are serving size 2 tablespoons, 33 grams, servings per container about 34, 210 calories, 150 calories from fat, total fat 17 grams, 26% daily value, saturated fat 3.5 grams, 18% daily value, 0 grams of trans fat, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 130 milligrams, 5% daily value, potassium 190 milligrams, 5% daily value, total carbohydrates 6 grams, 2% daily value, dietary fiber 2 grams, 8% daily value, 3 grams of sugars, 8 grams of protein, 0% calcium, iron 2%, not a significant source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Ingredients: roasted peanuts, sugar, palm oil, and salts, and contains peanut. And of course this is recyclable, has the little symbol on the bottom, and it is a plastic jar. And this is a little off topic, but I just want to remind you guys, when you recycle peanut butter, please, please, please always remember to secure the top on the lid, because my friend a couple months ago found a kitten that's head was stuck in the jar, and her and her boyfriend had seen the cat walking around on her block with his head stuck in the jar, and he almost suffocated. And luckily her and her boyfriend were able to bring him to a vet where they did the surgery and were able to surgically remove the container off the cat's head, because the animal will smell sometimes they're digging through trash if they're a stray animal or whatever, and they smell the peanut butter and then their head gets stuck. So please, when you recycle, just always remember to secure this. And just last week, it was on the news. Someone in the town over from me, a baby raccoon's head got stuck in the jar, and same thing, they called 911, and the police officers were luckily able to remove the jar from the animal's head. So please guys, I beg you to please just always make sure the top is sealed tightly when you guys recycle. But back to the peanut butter. It's easy to take off lid, just screw it off. And the top is recyclable as well. You can see inside, it's nice and creamy. It's my knife I just used. Just want to show you guys. Very spreadable too. Yummy, creamy, delicious. Good for baking too. You can make peanut butter cookies. Add peanut butter to brownies. This is definitely in the running as one of my most favorite peanut butters ever. Oh, and no need to stir, which is great. Saves you more time. So I hope you guys will try out Peter Pan 100% natural creamy peanut butter, and I hope you love it. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.